So are you ready to go back to school?
Not really. To be honest, I'm really nervous.
Why aren't you excited to go back after being quarantined for so long?
I don't know. I guess because I actually have to start socializing with people now. I'm just not looking forward to it.
You never know. It could be nice seeing everyone again. I gotta go now though. I'll talk to you later.
How am I supposed to act in school after so long? I'm sure my voice will start shaking and I'll humiliate myself.
Is this how I really look without a mask on?
What percentage of people have social anxiety? Nem, do you know the answer?
About 9 to 10% of young adults and adolescents in the United States experience this intense fear. Oh, hey.
Hey?
So I'm actually throwing a birthday party this weekend, and a lot of people are coming. Do you think you can make it?
Sorry, I can't. I'm really busy this weekend.
Oh, it's okay. Don't worry about it.
Alright, see you later.
Yeah, see you later.
Bye.
I can't believe I lied to my best friend.
Hey New Jersey HOSA, we hope you enjoyed this short film depicting the realities of living with social anxiety, especially after returning from the COVID-19 lockdown.
According to the National Institute of Mental Health, social anxiety is a chronic mental health condition that is characterized by an intense fear of being watched and judged by others.
If you are or have experienced social anxiety, please know that you are not alone in this. Many people face the same fears as you. So in this workshop, we're going to explore how to overcome social anxiety together.
Whenever you find yourself feeling anxious, one way to ground yourself is to follow the 3-3-3 rule. First, name 3 things you see. Then, name 3 things you hear. And finally, move 3 body parts, your ankle, fingers, or arm. This mental health trick will help center your mind and bring you back to the present moment.
Another trick is to practice deep breathing exercises. Breathing is a great tool that helps calm the body. One technique you can try is the box breathing technique. Whenever you feel your anxiety rising, try this method. Exhale to a count of 4, hold your breath for 4 seconds, inhale to a count of 4, hold your breath for 4 seconds, and repeat this pattern.
Keeping a journal or talking to trusted adults is also a great way to express your thoughts and emotions. It will help you alleviate self-induced stress and encourage you to open up in a healthy way.
As you continue on your journey of overcoming social anxiety, know that no one's path is linear. There may be times where you don't feel comfortable enough to step out of your shell, and that is totally fine. You watching this video is a huge step alone, and we are beyond proud of you for that.
We also want to thank you for watching this video and hope you all learned something new on the realities of social anxiety and ways to overcome it.
If you or any loved ones are suffering through social anxiety and or want more information on it, please refer to the following resources as a start.